In this video, we will show you how to use the knife tool to split any image with any Bitmap-Fill type, cross-stitch, Photostitch, PaintStitch, or sketch. Any image filled with any Bitmap-Fill type, cross-stitch, Photostitch, PaintStitch, or sketch, can be split into multiple parts using the knife tool to fit a design in any special way or to create a uniquely artistic shape. The knife tool allows you to precisely cut a bitmap into separate pieces. These pieces can then be moved individually and rearranged within the design as needed. You may experiment with different cuts to enhance your design and take it to the next level. For example, suppose you have this PaintStitch image and you want to divide it in 3 parts. Start the Outline Shape tool from Digitize section and draw the cut line or lines you want. Now, select the created lines along with the image. Right-click and from the appearing menu, use the knife option. In this way, the created lines will act as a knife and cut the image. Now you can move any part individually. The cut lines may be curved or have a more complex shape, or they may even be crossing each other. One thing you should have in mind is that the lines must be combined first if they are not digitized all together in one object in the first place. Take your time to experiment with different cuts, which can further inspire you to create unique, out-of-the-box designs.